Hey, what's up everybody? Anas Iqbal here. This video is going to be very excited for you as we are doing a deep dive to the AI world with the in-depth tutorial step-by-step guide. So we will be talk about in this video Leonardo AI platform. It's one of the intuitive and powerful platform whether you are a creative looking to enhance your project or a developer to connect this to your web or app, or a blogger that you want to take your content to the next level. So in this video, I will going to introduce to the Leonardo AI platform and will talk about what is the advantage you can take from this platform. And I will connect you to the playlist of my free course on YouTube and a premium course link also in the description. So before we get started, I appreciate that you subscribe to the channel so you will be notified about upcoming courses and the lectures. So this platform is covering for the creators, yep, and is for the teams as well, and for the developers, those who wants to integrate to this platform. And for the creators, either you're a blogger or you are a content creator or you are creative and looking to enhance, so yes, you are at the right place. So this platform is for the free subscription as well, so you can start exploring. So you come to this platform and click to the launch app, then it will ask you to sign up for free and start with this platform. So after signing in, you will come to this screen, and this is how the dashboard is look like. And I have a very detailed deep dive dashboard plan in the video as well, so you can check out that. So we have a main 6 features with this platform. One is real-time canvas. So the real-time canvas is the option that it let you to integrate with your artwork with the help of any drawing feature you have. Like if you have iPad and you want it to be draw something and you want to interact with your creatives, so yes, this is possible with this platform. So this section is also covered, and then we have a real-time generation that whatever you are typing to your prompt, it will be generating for you. So let's say businessman is standing on the highway with the buildings around. So it's, you can see that how interactive is that you are typing, and it will let you to know that what exactly your prompt is. So we have discussed that how many types of prompt as well, and then how to create the best prompt with the help of the ChatGPT. So you can use the ChatGPT also, and you can write here uh, and then ask to the ChatGPT to enhance your prompt. And this thing uh, can be done with the platform itself. So once you write your hint, just say prompt. So ChatGPT will create all the prompts for you. Even if you say the multiple prompts, so it will give you the multiple prompts to see. So then we have a motion. Motion is something that a creative, you have an image and you want it to be make the animated video, so it's possible also. So for doing it, you can create from your created artworks, or you can create from the community feeds, which being created by the community, and it's loyalty free, or you can say the free for commercial use as it's a community content. So you can simply pick any artwork and you can make it to motion. So so the thing is, you can have so many inspirations here with the help of the community. So you can even create your content with the any image you use from the community, and you can create like image to image is also possible. And then we have upscaler. You can enhance any image which is not like as much as resolution or in terms of size or in terms of depth of quality. So you can, we have used this feature also. And then we have a canvas editor that you can edit the content, the creatives as well. let's say you can add an element, you can enhance the picture with this feature as well. And then we have a models. We have been covered in our course that how you can create a models and create your artwork and the theme which you want it to be used as a consistent in your creatives. Then we discuss how you can train it. We have some predefined models, but you can train your own um, artwork as well, your models, and you can keep the content to be continued. Model means it's like a design pattern which you want in your creative to be consistent. Then we have some 3D features also, and then we discuss about settings and personal feeds. We have discussed so many features which you can take it and make your content to the next level. So if you are interested to knowing more about this platform and interested to start with, so you can begin with the tutorial which I have been giving into the description. And if you have any questions related to Leonardo.ai or any related platform, so you can write in the comments and I will try to cover those topics in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.